Welcome to a daily dose of self-love, a time to connect within and nurture the most important relationship of our whole lives, the relationship with our own inner self. Together, we will tune out the external world and tune inward to develop self-awareness, peace, joy, and love, and move in the direction of our greatest, most best self. You give so much to others all day. This is your time to give to you. In today's meditation, you are guided to acknowledge this suffering of humanity, this pain or struggle or tension that we feel. We're acknowledging it, and we are asking the Great Spirit to hold this for us. We are inviting in beautiful healing energy from earth and sky, and filling in the open spaces that we create in this meditation to live our fullest, best, and brightest lives. I hope you enjoy today's meditation. Light a candle, play your favorite relaxing music, and let's drop into today's meditation. Turn your outer gaze inward, close your eyes. Begin to notice your breath. We acknowledge this breath as our life force energy. We acknowledge this breath as our connection to the divine. We acknowledge this breath as our power on earth. And we give thanks for this breath that sustains our life. And we set the intention of carving out a bit of time to connect within, to connect with earth, to connect with sky, to open ourselves to greater love, abundance, self-realization. We set the intention of igniting the spark of the divine within ourselves and nurturing this flame. And with our breath, we allow this flame to burn even brighter. We bring in fresh air, fresh oxygen, and this flame grows brighter. We take this time every day to drop in, to rest, to relax, to receive, to heal. And we give this as a gift to ourselves and to our planet. When we take the time to heal ourselves, to nurture the relationship with the highest self, we can also heal our whole planet. We're healing ourselves and we are healing our planet. We can take a deep breath and hold this breath for just a moment. You can feel this breath seeping into all of our cells, and we can exhale and relax. We can visualize and become aware of our connection with our beautiful earth. We can breathe with the earth, giving and receiving. We can visualize our roots going down into the earth, held by the hands of Mother Earth. And in this way, we are rooted, we are strong, we are sturdy. We belong here on the earth. We can breathe with the earth. We say thank you to our beautiful earth for continuing to provide for us, for continuing to grow, to evolve, to blossom, to go through the seasons of life, to give so much, to yield, to become. We breathe with the earth and we know that we are the earth. We are growing, yielding, softening, evolving, changing with the seasons, blossoming into our beauty. We can bring our awareness to the Great Spirit, to source energy, to the sun. We can visualize this beautiful golden light, this warmth flowing down and filling into us with our breath. We can breathe with the sun. We can allow this sun energy to bring clarity, warmth, connection, knowing, trust, wisdom, love. We can take a deep breath into this earth and sun energy, allowing ourselves to be filled with this healing force. We set the intention for healing. We allow our breath to bring healing energy toward us. And we take a moment to scan our physical bodies. Where in our physical bodies do we notice tension, dis-ease, pain? Is it in our hearts, our minds, our muscle, our backs, our feet? Where would we like to focus our breath? Identify an area of your body and breathe deeply at your own pace, visualizing this earth and sun energy, this breath to fill into your physical body. Perhaps bringing your hands to this area of your physical body. We say thank you for this opportunity to breathe deeply, to heal. We ask the Great Spirits, Mother Earth, Source Energy, to hold our pain. We ask to release this pain. We ask for this pain to heal. We choose healing in this moment with our breath and with our connection to the divine. With our intention, we choose healing. When we heal ourselves, we do indeed heal the planet, each of us connected. Each of us a flower on this beautiful earth. In your mind's eye, you can visualize the hands of the Great Spirits. And we are invited to release all of our worries or pain. We are invited to release all of this into the hands of the Great Spirit, who will hold this for us, transform it, cleanse it, renew it. We choose healing. We ask for healing. We consciously release anything in the way of this bright flame from expanding and burning brighter. What would you like to release into the hands of spirits? We ask for anything to be released that's in our way of our greatest potential. We release our worry, our fear. We release our pain, our frustration, our uncertainty. We release tension into the hands of the Great Spirit. Perhaps use your breath and your sound to really release. Perhaps take your hands and shake them out. Move your body and ask for anything in the way of your greatest health and wellness and well-being, greatest potential to be released and held by the hands of the Great Spirit, to be cleansed and recycled. And there is no limit to what we can release. These hands can hold it all. We are doing a service to ourselves and to the planet by choosing to release, by choosing healing with our intention. Healing comes from within. It's a choice that we make. We choose each day this connection to Source, to love, to greatness, to healing of our collective humanity. Scan your physical, mental, emotional bodies. What else would you like to release? Ask Spirit to hold it for you. Make a sound, move your body. Feel the openness you have now created within you. And we say thank you to these hands for holding this for us, for transforming and recycling what we no longer need, what no longer needs to be in our way. We connect back to earth and sky. We breathe deeply with the earth. We breathe deeply with the sky. We fill this love energy into our open space within, the space that we have just cleared. And as we breathe so deeply, this inner flame grows even brighter. And we trust. We say thank you. We look out upon our days ahead and we see openness. We know that we are grounded, rooted, belonging, open, at peace. We know that the hands of Spirit guide us We see these hands as we walk through our days ahead. We trust the beautiful unfolding of our lives and this one life. When you feel ready, you can open your eyes and move toward your journal. Set a timer for at least 8 minutes to write, express, feel. Allow any words to flow through you that wish to be known by you. Nurture that relationship with yourself. Feel that connection to source energy moving through you. What would you like to solidify, to remember? What would you like to take forth with you? Enjoy your process of writing and nurturing and experiencing and evolving and learning. And thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and sharing this channel. Much love.